use macro. Yeah, this macro, no water macro.
Macro
yeah.
is this one.
No, the small one. No, because for this one underwater, just use underwater.
There's nothing really to post for me for the underwater, so I'm sending girls for photographing and video for today and tomorrow, and like I have still for 3 days, but then that's it, not enough. Again, super happy to go in the water. Last 3 days been busy with another thing, so there was no chance to dive or be in the water at all, so happy to go back to diving. Water today is calm and nice, looks good. The guys is already in the water. It was good to be in the water again. Good skills. The people working again. Salt. You never seen? That's how they do the salt. So yeah. So then they put in here, and then it's drying out, and then they're scraping off from the wood for the trunks, and that's the salt. Got the same question today again. It's like not really a question, but it was like someone told me this, or actually someone asked me that question. So let's say you are newly certified open water diver, and straight after you take next course or sign up for the advanced course. So that means you, after the completing open water and advanced, you have 9 dives, and then you can sign up for the rescue diver course. There are other instructors, and since they know that I'm a course director, they start this discussion over and over again. It's like how it comes, the party accept that the people do the next courses with not enough dives. There should be some standard which says that only with this amount of the dives you can take a next course. And then I always say, guys, it actually doesn't, the standard says the minimum. Do you accept people for this standard? That's your actually choice. So that's why you did instructor course, and that's why you became instructors, to make these decisions. If you see this person is not ready for the next course, then why you accept them for it? So where is the problem of the system or the organization? I understand when someone from outside says it, like I'm not calling. So everybody knows where I'm living, right? And what organization is more represented than PADI in this area. But like when people from the same organization saying the same thing, so then it's like a question for me. Is it good to talk about your family something bad, or about your family members, right? So you accepted to become a PADI instructor, so you wanted to become a PADI instructor, and now you're complaining about the things which you accepted. It's like, I don't know, it's like showing fists after the fight. Yep, so it's like... So that was today's episode. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I made you think about that. If you have any concerns or complaints, just write it in the comments and we will discuss about that. I'm not like, you have to understand, I'm not the PADI police, and just because I'm the course director and I'm the same as you other instructors, right? I found that actually being PADI instructor is more beneficial for me, and that's why I'm using this organization to teach my courses. And you did the same, so why are you complaining? If it's not okay for you, just change organization, but just stop talking this. It's annoying for me. Okay, see you in the next episode tomorrow. Bye. Sunset, we're sitting here on a beach, someone is walking dogs, someone is playing guitar. Easy life.